Hi everyone and welcome back to the brand new season of Adventures in Cooking with Crazy Marcus. I am finally back once again. I'm trying to think what season I'm on. Season 3 maybe. So today it's going to be a bit of an interesting one, guys. Trust me. It is going to be a bit chaotic, maybe a bit stressful. We're going to be taking an attempt at making a Jamaican classic. One of Bob Marley's favourites, I imagine. Jamaican jerk chicken. So, ingredients we've got here. A nice lime. Okay. Mad Mike's having salad with his nice fresh salad. We have also got some chicken breast, some cling film as well, and one of these nice little spice kits, JD Seasonings. So if anyone watching from JD Seasonings is watching, feel free to sponsor us. I absolutely love your spice kits. And of course, before I forget, a huge shout out to Marie Robinson for introducing me to the brand. Okay, let's get underway. Okay guys, so what we've done is we've wrapped the chicken in cling film, yeah. You're going to want to beat it with either like a wooden mallet type thing. What we're using is a rolling pin. Now you just gently beat it just to flatten it out a bit, kind of try cover it up a bit again. Okay. Cool. Does you well good when you're a bit peed off and you just want to imagine it's someone who's upset you. And the cling film is ripping a bit, as you can see here. I'm not sure if that's worked, to be honest guys. Seems to be a bit bigger. Okay, just pull. Okay guys, gonna bash this final bit. Pretend it's an old schoolyard bully or someone you really dislike. Maybe Risky Sunak or Benito Mad Mike. And always remember, once you've handled raw chicken, wash your hands. It is very dangerous, could potentially kill you. Maybe. That's as flat as it will go. So what we're going to do now is cut the chicken up into slices, and then we're going to add the lime sauce, well, the lime juice I meant, and the Jamaican spice kit. So, okay guys, once you beat the chicken like it owes you some money, next you're going to take your anger out on the poor old lime. God, some angry viewers I've got watching me today. Oh God, that failed. So we've got a nice juicer here, just going to stab it into the juicer and just sort of like twist it round, get the juice out. Okay, so we put 2 limes into the juicer just to make sure we've got enough juice. I think that's about de-juiced. So my plan is to put the juice in the bowl first. Hopefully that should be enough. I hope. Then I'm going to cut the chicken into some slices just so I can make sure like we've got enough spice to cover each piece. Okay, so what you're going to want to do now is just give it a good sort of switch round in the lime, make sure everything's got a good coat in. The lime juice not only gives it a bit of added flavour, but it also helps your spice kit just to stick to the chicken. So what we're going to do now is just give it a little bit of a sprinkle of the spice kit over the top. Then going to just same again, mix it all into the meat. Just make sure all your bits are nice and coated. Don't panic too much, if not you can add some more spice later. Should I add the rest or? Yeah, add the rest of the pack now. I'll just try to open it more so I can get it all out. Just I'll sprinkle it all over. Yep, that should be enough. Just try to break any lumps up that were in it. Then just aim again, mush everything in. What? So now you are just trying to make sure everything's coated, so just try like, do it slowly, maybe pick the odd bit of chicken out and while what's stuck on your hand to the spice kit, just give it a nice rub on your hands, make sure it is all coated and smells gorgeous. Now, I know for one, we've all never tried Jamaican jerk chicken before, so going to be interesting, isn't it, guys? Right, so as usual, guys, typical parents, you ask them to time stuff. Don't blooming well, don't. I mean, I bet Gordon Ramsay never has this problem, does he? Gonna put the chicken in, trying to keep as much of the spice on as possible, and it seems to be the lime juice is coming up with it as well. Basically, once you put your chicken in your frying pan, you're just going to want to keep it moving so it doesn't stick. Now, the original plan was to flip it over, like cook both sides, but yeah, the chicken's too big to do that, so just going to keep it moving around till it's cooked. Okay guys, everything's cooked. I think we are still of course waiting on the blooming wedges as usual there. I've got to admit, I've just cooked myself a little bit of chicken. Oh my god, tastes bloody gorgeous. I honestly can't wait to get tucked in. Going to plate up now. Just try and make sure everyone's got a fair amount. I'll just put them on a bit for now, then a bit more later. Looks absolutely delicious, guys. I can't wait to tuck in. The smell as well coming off it. Oh, beautiful. Mike's had salad as well, by the way, but he's also asked for 6 veggies, so he will get exactly that, 6 veggies. Okay, push you back on there. Okay, I think this will be my plate, so don't need the rest of it, because after all I am the chef. Do Mum another few bits. I know Mum's not really a big eater. You want some more, Mike? Okay guys, all plated up, waiting to be eaten. Looks delicious, I can't wait to tuck in. Okay guys, now time for the taste test. I can hear Sue's stomach rumbling. Gonna let her be the first guinea pig to try it.
Looks nice. Nice wedges.
Can't wait to tuck in.
I'm a bit scared actually, because I've got to say that I did see the chilies on the spice kit. 3 for quite a lot of spiciness. Wow. I can't even speak. The chicken's lovely and tender.
I'll try a bit as well on it.
It is, see, it's beautifully cooked. Nice and white on the inside. And
good bit of chicken there, guys. Coated in all the herbs and spices. I'm not usually one for spicy stuff, but I've got to admit that is blooming gorgeous. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. Enough to make Bob Marley proud, ain't it guys? Nice succulent chicken breast.
Jamaican jerk chicken, yum on.
Now for a change, Michael take a taste as well.
Let's try this. It can't be that good, can it, guys?
You're doubting my cooking skills.
Let's try it straight with the chicken. Nice and white, as Sue said. Nice and coated on the outside.
Now I would ask if anyone wants me to get the garlic mayo in so you can do the spice, but I mean,
Yeah.
Really tasty.
Yeah.
It's Spice is okay on it, but yeah.
Delicious.
What?
Well done.
What would
Little
you
bit of
rate?
Spice. What would I rate it at?
Yeah.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 from Mike. Sue?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Back over to Chef Marcus. 10 out of 10, I mean, as I've said, the veggies nicely cooked, nice taste to them, complements the chicken. And not the chicken nicely cooked, nice coat of the spice kit round them, succulent, very nice. 10 out of 10 from me, guys. See you in the next cooking video with Crazy Marcus.